Hello, today I will show you how to check your battery health with an Ampere app. First, we will need to access the Google Play Store because we need to download an external app for this. Tap on the search box and type in Ampere. Tap install and wait for the installation to complete. Ampere is an app that allows you to check your battery health. It is really simple and it is quite light, as you see. Now, after it finally got installed, tap open. Now you will be prompted to consent to some things. You don't have to. I will tap no thank you, tap close and tap OK. Finally, here are all the options and details about your battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.